Good evening, everyone. So, today it's our second lecture about long and short sound of A. So, here is my student Noise. He is explaining all these sounds again one by one. So, first of all, please introduce yourself.
My name is Lois. I read in class 8.
Okay, I must say that he's my very intelligent student. I must say he's very conscientious person. So, Noise, uh, when we use the long sound and when we use the short one. Okay, then when we have CVC pattern, explain that. Red, this one. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. Here. When we have CVC pattern, I already told you that consonant,
Clusters.
vowel and consonant. So, what is the short sound of A? A. What is the short sound of A? A. And what is the long sound of A? A. Because all the vowels have their original sound as A, E. It is their long sound, and short sound of A is A. Rest of the other sounds will be elaborated to you people in future. So, I told you that when we have consonant, vowel and consonant, we use the short sound of A. When we have the pattern of consonant, vowel, we use the long sound of A. This is the strategy we are going to use in all the vowels. Okay, nice. Okay, Noise, can you read these words for me? Short plus long.
Cat, kicked. Bat, bit. Fat, fit. Hat, hit. Rat, rit. Rap, rip. Zap, zip. Gap, again.
Very nice, very good, Noise. You did a great job. Okay, one more thing. Can you say these words with their sounds, each individual sound of the letters? For example,
K,
a,
t.
t.
Cat.
Okay.
K, a.
A. Now it become A because of the magical E. We also call this pattern of magical E as well to teach the little children. Okay.
K, a. T.
T. Kate. You can say that. Give it to me. Open it. Okay. This one. They are. These sounds come together. Make a arrow. Yes. So it became A sound.
B, a. T. Bat. B, a.
Make a arrow as well.
T.
Bait. Shabash. Next.
F, a. T. Fat. F, a. T. Fat.
Very nice.
H, a. T. Hat. H, a. T. Hay. R, a. T. Rat. R, a. T. Rat. R, a. P. Rap. R, a. P. Rat. Z, a. P. Zap. Z, a. P. Zap. G, a. P. Gap. G, a. P. Gap.
Very well, Noise. You have elaborated all the sounds very well. Thank you so much and say goodbye to your viewers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.